Hello, this is Jacob from Deepgram, and today I'd like to show you a couple of the extra features on Deepgram's superfast ASR API. Right now I have a command ready to send a file from my computer over to Deepgram servers, and I've asked Deepgram to punctuate the output. We'll give that just a second to upload. And indeed, we see some punctuation in here, periods and capitalization and so forth. What else can Deepgram do? Well, we can transcribe in a variety of languages. I'm going to send over a Spanish file. It's a little bit bigger, so I'm going to wait just a few extra seconds for the upload, and then we'll get a response. There we go. Here's our Spanish. Deepgram also has a cool feature for redaction. I'm going to send over this file first without any redaction. It's a short little test file, and we'll see some numbers come through in the transcript. One, 2, 3, 4, 2, 5, 7 at the end. Now let's ask Deepgram to redact things because we don't want customers' credit card numbers showing up in the transcripts. I've added a parameter here to ask Deepgram to redact strings of numbers. And indeed, here we go. Instead of 257 or 1234, I got just an asterisk. Those are just a couple of Deepgram's many features. You can see all the other options that we support at docs.deepgram.com.